This is how the Dappnode interface looks, and there are 3 different ways to access it. You should first try connecting to your node's integrated Wi-Fi and access to my.Dappnode. If you're not able to see the Dappnode's Wi-Fi network, or you can't connect to my.Dappnode, you can also try accessing through the local proxy at dappnode.local. But keep in mind, this local proxy will only be good for initial setup. Once connected, you'll have to change the Dappnode credentials upon the first login. After this step, you'll be able to set up the remote access profiles for your Dappnode using VPN, which is the 3rd access method. We heavily recommend using VPN to access your Dappnode through my.Dappnode, as it is the best and most secure way to access it. We'll get to setting up your VPN profiles in another video, but for now, get to know your Dappnode interface. Make sure you get familiar with it before taking the next steps. And remember, the Dappnode community is always available to provide support in our Discord.